Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
So, May mind. Yesterday I taught you can, could, and able to. Right? So, have you understood? Can, could,
Yes, sir.
able to. Yesterday. You?
Yes, sir.
You didn't come yesterday. You can't come yesterday. And today I've just made you write something about May mind. Right? So May mind exactly means we use the possibility, permissions, give or take permissions, possibilities, right? Okay? And highest politeness, the might also be used. Might I ask you? And generally that we use could I ask you, can I ask you? Okay? But the highest politeness degree, we always use might. Might I ask you? When we say that, might I ask you? But generally that we don't use. But the highest polite degree we use might. Might I ask you? Might I ask you? It's correct. Highest politeness. Highest politeness might, may, and then could also we can use. Right? In this context we use. But a question goes to you. The student comes at the door. He asks in his teacher, "Ma'am, can I come?" Ma'am says, "Yes, you can come, but may you not. You can come, but you may not." So what do you mean this sentence? A student use can instead of may. And the student standing right here and asks teacher, "Ma'am, can I come?" And teacher says, "Yes, you can come, but you may not." So what do you understand this sentence? And teacher says that,
Yes, sir.
"You can come, but you may not." What do you mean? What do you understand the sentence? Yes, you. I'm asking you.
You can follow as you wish.
You may not. Just try to understand. I give a hint.
It's like to give taking a
Permission.
permission.
Give and take permission. Allow.
So she.
So, no. She says, "You can come by yourself." Okay, no problem. Because can doesn't show permission on.
As you
Depends
wish.
upon his
So,
choice.
can we can use not with seniors. I mean, can we use not with senior teacher, professor, lecturer, boss. Don't use can. Use may and might. Or could we can use that. But now we use can. So the teacher says, "You can come, but you may not." It means, yes, you can get by yourself, but you are not given permission by me. You may not. Not given permission by me. So I believe your concept clear very well. Can and may. Yeah, that's right. Here we go. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That's it. How long it is?
Sir, around 5 minutes.
Very well, huh? Okay.
Yes.
Subscribe and like the channel also, please. I request you. The whole people listening and people who watching my video, subscribe and like and share also that. And share with your friends in the channel. And make a comment also, please. I'm not getting comments from you guys. Please make comment. And if any grammatical mistakes, please tell me. I will also improve a lot of that and teach something. Thank you. Yeah.